Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by reading the label so you know how the product works and any limits on where to spray. Put on gloves and eye protection. This protects you from fumes and splatter. Once done, remove food and wipe surfaces, then vacuum visible trails to expose new paths. Make sure to shake the can 10-15 seconds and test a small inconspicuous area. Now spray short bursts along the ant trail and entry points. This gives immediate knockdown while minimizing overspray. You focus on trails and entry points because ants follow scent routes. Treating those interrupts the colony. Make sure to use short 1 to 2 second bursts to avoid drips and excessive residue. If treating cracks, aim tip into gaps so product deposits where ants travel. When using bait products as well, place baits after initial spray areas dry. This prevents repellency and encourages workers to carry bait back to the nest. Keep pets away and ventilate the area to clear fumes. You finish by allowing treated surfaces to dry for 30 to 60 minutes and airing out the room to disperse fumes. Make sure to wash your hands after removing gloves and avoid contact with treated areas until dry. Then monitor for 24 to 72 hours to see if activity declines. Repeat applications only according to the label. If ants keep coming despite proper use, try a different bait flavor or call a professional. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.